Yo, Tech fam, guess what? The Temu Eagle has landed. We're going to go ahead, bust it down, and see what we got. Stay tuned. What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. And as the intro suggested, we got our package. Now, if you remember, in the last video, we got a $100 gift card. We said we was gonna spend it all on Temu. I'm gonna put the video somewhere around here. You can go check that out. We chose our items, ordered them, and then we just had to sit back and wait for the stuff to arrive. Well, it is here. And in this video, we just gonna go through the bag and look at all the stuff that we chose and purchased with our $100 gift card, go through all of that, and then in subsequent videos, I'll be doing short reviews on each item individually. So with that being said, let's get right to it, shall we? Okay, let's dig in the bag. First item is this smartwatch. I saw this watch when we were shopping. I mentioned that the wife had been thinking about getting a smartwatch. This one was Temu affordable, so I said might as well go ahead and check it out. We'll do a review on that later. Next item is car LED hood lights. So this is a light that you install around the front of your hood on your car. As you can see in the picture, makes it look cooler with a light on there. Don't know how this is gonna hook up or work, but we're gonna hook it up and check it out. Video coming soon. Next item is, oh, this is the air horn. The air horn that I purchased. It's got the power leads on it. It's supposed to be like a train horn. Looks kind of small to be a train horn, but we definitely gonna hook it up and do a test. All right, what's next in the box? It is a handheld heat gun. They call it a heat tool. This item is about $10.78 on Temu. I'm going to be using it probably for shrink tubing, to quickly shrink down shrink tubing. Just be handy to have a heat gun. All right, what's next in the box? 3D creative visualization lamp. I believe I paid about $5.30 for this. It was a real cool design that I was interested in. It's basically a little lamp with a small base that projects light, and it shows you a 3D object. You'll see what that object is when we do the test. All right. Coming up next, what is this? This, all the writing is in Chinese, I guess, so can't really tell, but it's supposed to be a 3-in-1 vacuum blower cordless wireless gun for like cleaning electronics. You know, the air blowers for cleaning electronics, but it also does vacuum, so you can vacuum your electronics, dust off of them. It's rechargeable vacuum cleaner, and it has multiple uses. This is what the box looks like. We'll see how it works and what it does in the video. What is next in my box here? We've got these saws. So this is a attachment to hold these saws for a drill. So you can turn your drill into a mini saw, like a Dremel or something, just by adding this attachment onto it and these onto the attachment. I wanted to see how well they work, if they'll actually cut. All right, what else is in the bag? Don't that is. Let's open it up and see. Oh. This is a 95-piece LED strip light connector set. RGB LED strip light connectors. It's got a bunch of little different connectors that you can use. You can cut your strip lights, use one of these connectors, and make it turn a corner or continue it later down the line, so you're not wasting your LED light. I think I talked about these in the last video. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them in the video and show you how they work. See what else is in the bag. Got a white box. Don't know what it is, but I think I know what it is. Let's see. I'm right. Yes. This is a pump for a drill. So you just connect it to your drill, and it's a liquid pump. This one was specifically marketed as an oil pump, so you can pump oil, transmission fluid. That's why I bought it. I want to be able to use my drill to pump oil and transmission fluid when doing servicing on the vehicles. But it also works for water and other liquids. These are pretty simple devices. It should work just like it's described. All right, let's go to the next item. This, I can clearly see, is my rechargeable battery charger. And this one is supposed to be able to do AAA and AA batteries. I paid $1.80 for it. I can feel it's very light. It feels like very cheap construction, but as long as it works, I mean, that's what you're doing, right? So we'll see how that works. I do have some rechargeable batteries that are due for a recharge, so this is perfect timing. Show you how that works. Let you know what happened. So yes, these are nitrile gloves, color black. I think this was the 20 pack. Yep, 20 pack. Paid $2.40 for it, $2.48. Just regular black rubber gloves. Use them in the garage. You know what that is, right? All right, let's see what else we got here. This is the power button that I purchased. This is a one-piece power button with an LED on it. You can use it for computers. It does have a plug to plug it into a motherboard. You can use it for whatever electronic hobby or device you're using it for. It's just a power button, a push on, push off. We'll do some testing on it, show you how it came out. Now we have this. It's kind of wrapped up. You can't even really see what it is. I believe I know what it is though, but just to show you, if I can. It's got a little trigger button. This is where you screw it on to your bottle, and it's got a pump here where you pressurize the bottle, and then you can just spray water with it. It actually don't look too bad. It looks pretty cool. I believe it's gonna work. We'll let you know what happened. All right, what else is in the Temu bag? This is a little portable pouring funnel for the oil jug. You can just clip it on the end of the oil jug, no spill. Pour your oil out into wherever you need to pour it. It's got a little funnel piece and a little hose piece made out of plastic. We got the LED flashlight gloves. As you can see, it's got a little on-off button there. Oh shit, they came on. Look at that. I assume they must be rechargeable. They're little gloves with flashlights on the end of the fingers. I saw them. I was like, damn, them look pretty cool. Don't know about the quality of the glove though. See if it would work too much. One piece USB extension cable with an on and off switch. So it's just an extension for your USB, and then you can turn the power on and off for that switch. I got a good use for this. We'll show you how it works. All right, what else we got? A couple more items. This is the double-sided tape. I paid $1.50 for it. I actually thought it was just gonna be like a couple, like 6 or 8 inches of tape, but this looks like a pretty decent sized roll. Is it any good? Don't know. We're gonna find out when we double-side tape something. All right, what else we got right here? These are steel socket adapters for a drill. I paid $2 for them. It's got a 1/2 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/4 inch drive head. You throw them on the end of a drill. You can use your sockets with your drill or your impact driver. Definitely these gonna come in handy. What else we got here? Boom! Look at that Roku TV remote. So, if you got a bunch of these TVs, or you got experience, you know these get lost and broken all the time, and so I was in need of a new one. It looks just like the original equipment from the manufacturers, actually. Not too bad. Well, all right, we got the drill bits. I think there's like 50 of them in here. Standard drill bits. We know what these are. We'll see how good they is when I go trying to drill some holes, but we'll see how those work later. And the last thing in the bag is this Ethernet splitter that I saw, and I was like, wow, that could be handy. Now, how well it's gonna work, if it's going to divide the bandwidth, don't know until we do some testing. But if it does work, this will be a good on the fly, I need to split off a network connection into 2 really quickly, useful piece to have. We'll see what happens with it. All right, and that was the last piece. And with that, family, we're gonna bring this one to an end. Just wanted to give an update on the Temu haul. Wanted to show you that the stuff has arrived, show you each piece, and now going forward, I'll do a short review on each piece I ordered, show you if it worked, show you if it was worth it, show you how good it is, and let you decide if Temu and shopping like a billionaire is all it's cracked up to be. So hopefully some of this information has been helpful to you. If you gained value from this video, go ahead and like it, share it, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until the next video, Techfam, peace.